This is the color palette for today's video. You can see the list of supplies in the description below. To start with, I take a full strip of lavender color and then roll it. I'm going to make it into a loose coil and then shape it for a petal. I'm grabbing out my circle scale. I always put it upside down so it can hold our coils, and I choose the 6 size circle to unwind it, and then I pull the center of the coil to one side and press the other end so it looks more like a teardrop. Now I push from the top and squeeze on the sides, and so you get this shape. I'll be needing about 5 similar petals to make one flower. I grab glue in the glue board and arrange all the 5 petals into a flower. I will be needing 3 of these flowers for this card. Now moving on to the next flower. I need about half the length of yellow color strip, and then I roll it into a tight coil. I push the center to make it into a small dome and put some glue in the back side so that the shape is secure. Now I take another yellow strip and tear it into 8 equal parts. Now I take one of it, roll it and make a loose coil, and then I press it to make a somewhat elongated teardrops. I will be needing about 11 to 13 similar shapes for making one flower. I'm coloring the center of the flower with a marker. This is the easiest way when you don't have a particular color in your quilling strip. So now it's time to arrange the tiny flower. As the yellow flower is completed, now let's move on to the center of the purple flower. I am making a tight coil using half strip of white. As the flowers are done, let's move on to making the leaves. I am using looping technique of quilling using the green shade of paper strips. You can loop it one more time to finish the leaf. So for this particular leaf, I have 3 loops. To make this part of leaf along with the stem, I'm going to take a piece of green and then make 2 loops as I have done previously, and then I leave a long part of the strip. Now at the base of the loops, I apply some glue and stick it so we get a leaf along with stem. Now it's time to arrange all the leaves. We can make the loops bigger or smaller, which makes the size of the leaves to be big or small. So this is how it will be when we are done. For the card, I'm using an empty note card. Above it, I'm using a grey cardstock which is cut smaller in size than the size of the card base. And then I glue it down to the card base. I'm going to stamp the sentiment using Memento black ink. I just dab the ink on the stamp and use a tissue to remove off any excess inks in the stamping tool. After finishing stamping, we can just go on with attaching our quill pieces. Before gluing the elements, you can just arrange them and check out where to place which elements so that it looks good. Since I am not happy with the length of the stem of the leaves, I just cut it off and put the sunflower-like flower over there. If you're scared about peeling off your already glued piece, then this video could help you. To finish the card, I'm going to add some blings and the card is done. Thanks for watching.